I'm Ross and I'm in the recorder and I'm here with
Danny Moir.
Hailing from Scarborough, England, United Kingdom, Danny the Destroyer Moir!
Danny Moir. How are you doing?
Yeah, good mate.
Thanks very much for joining us, appreciate it. I've got some quick fire questions, something a little different this time, rather than asking the same old questions. So let's get into it. What's your favourite dish to cook? Do you cook?
Oh God, not if I can help it, no. I probably cook once a year, and it's whatever I'm told to cook.
Is that right?
I'll just do as I'm told, yeah.
What's your favourite swear word?
Probably don't have a swear word, but I like dosser.
Dosser, somebody who works for me, who does all my dossing jobs.
Yeah.
I like to call people dosser, yeah, that's probably my favourite insult.
Do you have any unusual talents?
I can juggle.
Can you?
Yeah, yeah. But besides that, not many, no.
Well, it just so happens, as I haven't got any juggle. We'll just have to take your word for that one.
Yeah.
What's your favourite karaoke song? What's your go-to karaoke song?
I never do karaoke. Probably something by Bob Marley if I was going to do something.
Oh, Richard Elizabeth. You can't sing that one either.
Do I?
Which one?
That one. What's it?
I'm not singing now, am I?
That, I don't know what it's called. Oh, I Can Be Your Hero.
Let me be your hero.
Well, that one, yeah, you sing that all the
I'll
time.
do that.
Oh, I don't know that one.
I must be very drunk by then. I'm not drunk now.
No one's fell for that yet. I can
But you switched on today. Don't know why.
Yeah, everyone's in the zone, aren't they? Like, I'm
Yeah.
not falling for that one, you idiots. What's the biggest animal you think you could kill? Hand to hand.
That's a rare question. But no. Seagull maybe.
Seagull.
Trying to eat my chips up on the seaside.
Yeah.
Contemplating that a few times.
Do you believe in aliens?
Yeah, I suppose so. Why not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think it's like little green men, or do you think there's like other life on different places?
Yeah, I think it could be anywhere, couldn't it? You never know, do you? But
Yeah.
I don't know till I meet one. Yeah. You're not an alien, are you?
I don't think so. It's not proved though. If there was an alien invasion, who from the BKFC roster would you take? You and 3 others.
I'd probably go by myself. Yeah. Who's the biggest? Maybe Rob Cunningham. Just in case I got hungry, I could maybe try lasso him and eat him. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know.
How would you rate yourself between 1 and 10 as a fighter?
I'm just starting. I've only been boxing 10 months. As a fighter, I've got a lot of heart, a lot of power, and I'd probably give myself an 8 out of 10 for fighting, but for skills, probably 5 out of 10. Got a long way to go and a lot to learn yet.
Yeah,
So,
room for improvement.
yeah, plenty of room for improvement. Plenty of years yet to get better and better.
What's the gym that you train out of?
I train at Seagull Muay Thai. I train with Baz Moran. He's trained people at like Cage Warriors and stuff like that. So he's real good. But he likes to be low key.
Yeah.
He's not very well known because he's lurks in the shadows.
What's something that people don't know about you?
Middle name's Adam. Not many people know that. I don't know. Shoe size 11.
Likes long walks on a beach. Is this a date video?
Yeah.
Something, come back to people like me. Yes.
Yeah, I am really. Yeah.
Yeah.
Does he do the little like boochie boochie voice to you?
Don't say too much.
No, it's very soft though. Like with the kids and stuff, they'll tell kids off, and then he's the one that gives in first.
Yeah.
Stuff back.
Yeah, I'm soft at heart.
Yeah, he's soft natured.
Yeah.
He doesn't come across that way.
Oh, nice. A tender lover?
Depends what mood I'm in.
What's the weirdest dream you ever had?
Oh God, I'm known for dreaming. Like, I used to get a recurring dream where I was hid under a bush and there was a witch flying over my head. That was quite a weird one.
Really?
Yeah, I used to get that like every night. That was a weird one.
Does that still go on now then?
No, not since I was a kid. No.
I wonder if there's a meaning behind it.
Yeah, I've got some ideas, but not for camera. No.
What's the best advice you've ever been given?
Just, I don't know really. I haven't been given much advice. I don't know that sticks to me. Ever.
Oh, thanks.
Everyone gives me. I get a lot of support, but I suppose for me fighting, my best advice is probably just relax as best you can. You're a better fighter when you're relaxed, and you gas yourself out too quick when you get overexcited. So probably just try and relax, especially under that pressure. It's hard, but
Yeah.
just try to keep relaxed. Yeah, best I can.
Nice. Is the Earth round or flat?
I don't know. It's debatable, isn't it? I don't know.
What's your thoughts?
When's this interview over?
Do you know? So, are you a flat earther?
I'm on the fence, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's not proven either way for me.
Have you got a favourite conspiracy theory?
Oof.
Are you into conspiracies at all?
Um,
Do you think they've been to the moon?
no, I don't think we've been to the moon. No,
No.
no, I don't.
I don't think that either.
No, I think why fake it? It's obviously fake, isn't it? But
Why have we not been back since?
yeah, I don't get it all. I think there's a lot of lies, and you never truly know what's going on.
No.
You probably never find out.
What are they hiding?
I don't know.
What are they hiding?
Probably made out of chili, isn't it?
Do you have any pre-fight rituals?
I just like to relax. I've been in sauna today, and cold showers and sat in jacuzzi, and yeah, I usually walk the dogs for an hour or so by myself. I'm just going to lay on my bed, I think, for a couple of hours with headphones on and try to get a little nap in before we go, and try to keep as relaxed as possible.
Great stuff. If you were Prime Minister, what's the first thing you would do?
What would I do? There'd be a lot more free stuff. Anyway, for a start, I'll just stop lying for a start, I think. I'd start with that.
Brilliant. Have you got any words of advice to give upcoming fighters or anything like that?
Just do it. Just do it. Do your best. Give it your all. But make sure you're putting the effort in. I see a lot of guys wanting to do it. They don't train, they're drinking and whatever else a lot. If you want to do this, you need to put your heart and soul into it. Otherwise, you're not going to get far. No matter how tough you are.
Perfect. Appreciate it. Thank you very much for your time.
Cheers.
Good
Thank you,
luck
Ross.
tonight. Good luck.
Cheers, bud.
Just one last thing. Have you seen one of these before?
I use them all the time. Yeah.
Go for it.
Oh God. Can't even do one. What's this thing? Bro. Pretty fight nerves in hands, that's all. Crap. That's it. I'm usually really good on that as well.